What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock going crazy in the post market. Wow, this thing, I know on the daily interval it doesn't show on Trading View, but you can see here $170, $5 up in the post market right now. Let's go actually to the 5 minutes interval, and we'll soon get to see. Look at it. Well, it's Tesla stock has been going crazy today, guys. Crazy, crazy. Okay, so let's talk about what's been going on with Tesla today, right? We first fell off today. If you have seen my morning video, you already know the reasons about those. Why did we fall? Why did we fall in the morning? And now in the post market, well, it's going on itself, but this is technically is working just as I would explain it to you. Things might get clear. So in this video, we'll take a look at these potential moves as at certain levels these moves are happening. And even though the news came out that Tesla is scrapping its low cost EVs, but we are still seeing something in the technicals, as we'll go through this in this video, that big players are buying, and I'll talk about that just in a second. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? So guys, Tesla, yes, we had a red candle today for the reasons that Tesla, let's go to that news. So scrapping low car cost model. Sorry, I'm not able to find that one particular article, but yeah. And once this news came out, right, and I'm seeing just a news right now that is not accurate. Tesla confirms that. So but let's first look at it, what happened when this happened, right? So if I go to the minute interval, and here we have this is where we started to see that sell-off happen, right? And this could be also seen with the amount of volume down here that started to increase on the minute interval, right? So this is what the news led Tesla to do. I'm just going to do something real quick here on my chart. I'm just going to move this position that, it's not allowing me to actually then, move around my chart on the lower time frame. So let's move my position that I have on the right. So I'll talk about that as well in this video. But so let's go back to the minute interval again. And yeah, so you can see that how Tesla, when we had that news, it just flushed, right? Here we go. Yeah. So it just flushed, and then in a minute we saw this big green candle come up, right, on a very strong volume, where right into our support zone, the green box. And why this has also been acting such a strong support zone is, now if I take it to the 5 minutes, or let's go to the hourly interval, that's where things will get much more clear. So here you can see that buying that happened, this wick down here, this also happened where these previous bottoms were forming, right, on Tesla. And so this is the demand zone acting here, right? The buying and the structure break back then as well, buying happened, and then Tesla has been getting bought back up in the same region. Now I'm seeing this one article, one report. Now let's talk about that. Oh, Tesla cancels plan for Model 2 low cost EV report. But I just here we go. Tesla Musk denies report it is scrapping cheaper vehicles. And this also, Tesla chief executive Elon Musk on Friday denied a Reuters report earlier in the day that the EV maker has cancelled its plan to offer a less expensive car. Reuters is lying again, Musk wrote on X. Wow! And we did see, and that possibly is the reason that pop happened back then. But I wasn't seeing this news back then. And I don't, I'll have to match the time when I did the video. I'm pretty sure I did the video earlier, but big players bought down over here due to the demand zone. And now here you can see that Tesla in the post market, this is where big whales are loading again, guys. Because if you have seen my videos, in the pre and the post market is when it's so easy to move the price. And guys, this is again, it fell throughout the day, came back again in that same demand zone, and is getting bought back up, right? It's getting bought back up in the same demand zone, very strong again. So yeah, today, guys, again, Tesla hasn't really broken, well, Tesla has broken that intraday structures, but it is holding itself. And this actually brings me to that, my position as well that I did talk to you guys about in the morning. So let's talk about this as well here. And I'll do the weekend video as well, a lot more talking in detail when the post-market price has also stabilized and closed for the day, and short volume person and all of that. So you already know I was loading again in my Tesla position. I have taken some partial profits. So I loaded again here, right? I have talked about in my videos. I took some partial profits here. Just when we went up and broke the level of 175 lower, I booked some out. And then today as well in the pre-market, I took some more profits when we lost that trend line. If you want to know that trend line importance, I did my another video yesterday. Check that out. And so right now, lucky me, I have to say lucky me that in the good way, right? That Tesla hasn't closed an hourly candle below my stop loss, and that's where my hard stop loss hasn't really hit on Tesla, and I'm still carrying my some 35 or 40% position. Check out my previous video to know the accurate percentage. I haven't checked on my broker exactly how much percent is. I'm ballparking how much position is left while I'm talking with you guys. So yeah, and still it hasn't closed, and I was prepared actually when the market was just about to close. I'm like, all right, today it's gonna hit my stop loss. Then finally, well, but it's going up back in my money again. So the thing is that, as you know, I like to size in, size out. Even if my stop loss would have hit on my remaining position today, I have already made good money in the extensions on all these extensions that again, I'm not saying I have picked the top. No way. I'm just, when these trend lines would break, I would pick those things, right? I would pick these breaks of the trend lines, and all of that, right? So that's how I size out. So that's what I did today as well. And then remaining position, I let it run, and looking great. I'm loving it. $170 and 80 cents. So it looks like morning news on which came through Reuters was was a rumor. I did incline that this morning that hey, this could be a rumor, but again I was like, hey, Reuters is coming up with this news. Look at the market manipulation here, guys. But good for anyone who loaded down here, right? And I showed you on the minute interval, 5 minutes interval, a lot of buying coming in by the big whales for sure. I showed the volumes down there to you guys, right? And here we go. Musk is doubling down now. Oh, where did that news go? So maybe, okay. Here you can see the headline. Musk says Tesla will unveil robo-taxi on August 8th. Guys, this has changed everything now in my opinion. This has changed everything, guys. Tesla is gonna may continue to go up from here. You can see this up here. Now, again, this is from Reuters. Oh, wow. I'm not sure if at this point I should be believing Reuters for anything, but Tesla will unveil robotaxi. Reuters have put themselves in hot water numerous times over the course of many years. They come out with all these market moving headlines, the morning rumors, and then all other things. This is posted on social media by Elon Musk platform X. So, wow, robotaxi on August 8th. This is a game changer, guys. This will change the trajectory, in my opinion, on Tesla stock. This thing is already getting bought back up. So, yeah, this looks great. Cool. Well, so other than that, what else are we looking at? So yeah, guys, Tesla technically, so right now, yes, it is regaining some structure. As I said, I'll do weekly on the weekend video, on weekend as well, the video to talk more about once the post market has also closed and a lot more other things. And yeah, so sentiment is looking again bullish on Tesla. Definitely the extra confirmation is as soon as we get above this 100, and I want to see it above 200 hours moving average, which it's likely going to do easily, and then 175 as well. But Elon Musk coming out, he's really doubling down on it. It's like, you Reuters, you again, lying. Let me now talk about robotaxi. And so they're coming out with, 8th of August. So yeah, guys, we want to clear $175 resistance, but I think Tesla will do this easily now based on the positive sentiment. And this green box of ours, has been tested multiple times, and Tesla stock has shown good support all the time with big, huge volumes coming up and getting bought back up. This is amazing. All right, guys, more I will talk about over the weekend. Hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Tesla is looking awesome to me again. All right, take care. Bye.